Hi guys, Angie Bell with My Fairy Treasures. Okay, you guys, I'm coming back with the same project I did yesterday for a quick part 2 just to show you guys something. And I was going to show you how I did it, but it's just applying glue and glitter, so it's no big deal. And it videotaped all jacked up. So I'm just going to explain what I just did. So if you didn't see part 1, go to part 1 and you'll see how I created this. But one of my subbies, she had said you should put glitter on these, and I had thought about that also yesterday when I was doing the video. I thought, should I put glitter on them? I'm like, oh, I don't know about glitter. But when one of my subbies said you should put glitter on it, I thought, you know what, she is so right. So I went back. I want to show you how it looks with the glitter. Look how fast. Now this is still wet because I just put the glitter on there. Look how beautiful that is. So if you're wondering if you should glitter it, glitter it. So when you're decoupaging on your music note paper or your book note pages or whatever you want to do, when you're decoupaging it on, while the glue's still wet, go ahead and put your glitter all over it. Now I had to go ahead and put my decoupage medium on top of this and then put my glitter on it. But you could just put the glitter on right afterwards and then be done with it. And I did just want to talk about this glitter really quick. I buy this glitter at, you can get your glitter at Dollar Tree, but I get my glitter at Walmart. It's only like $3. You get this whole big thing of it for $3. And look how pretty it is. I don't know if you can see it in here, but it has different colors that come through. And it's not really showing on camera. Maybe it is. But it's not just the clear whitey colors. It's all these different colors come through. It's really, really pretty. So, but I just wanted to show you guys this because I think this looks prettier with the glitter. And if you can see the different colors that are coming from that glitter that I get from Walmart. Anyway, just wanted to come on really quick, let you guys know about that. I know this is a really short video, but I just wanted to come back and tell you because I think it came out so pretty and so much better, especially Christmassy. So even if you're doing farmhouse, I still think a little glitter would be really pretty. If you're doing shabby chic or vintage, I still think the glitter is really pretty. So, okay, you guys, that is it. Just want to come back really quick and show you guys that. Yeah, that's it. All right, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so. You can give this video a thumbs up. That'd be great. Any comments or questions, leave them below. Come visit me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.